Guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wig. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys the way that you will fix that. You guys see this? That is driving me absolutely crazy. So basically what I'm going to do, guys, and then I'm going to take it off and put the pins. I am going to take away some of this in the crouch, and that will get rid of, you see when I'm pinching this together, I am going to decrease this seam, like take away, and that will take away from that. This drives me crazy, almost like you wearing a pamper or something. So I'm going to take it off and show you guys how to pin it and how to, and then when you pinning it, guys, feel how much you need to take away. So I need about maybe 2 inches or so to take in right here to get rid of that, because that drives me crazy. And I will wear like some yellow shoes with this. Somebody was asking. And then I'm even thinking like the legs, I probably make it a little bit tighter down at the bottom. I wouldn't do nothing to these side, but just at the bottom. So okay guys, I'm gonna take it off and show you guys how to pin it to fix that. If you guys ever get pants and they fit like that and it drives you crazy, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. All right. Okay guys, as promised, so I took off the pants, and this is that front seam, and like we see that it is a lot of slack right there in the crouch part. Like I said, kind of, I don't know, it drives me crazy, kind of like a pamper effect or something. So you take the pants and you turn them like this, inside out, but then you find that seam. So remember when I was pinching, guys, I needed about, to take it in about 2.5 inches in. So this will be the way that you guys will pin it, and you'll sew it to decrease, to take away a lot of that slack, because I don't know, it just runs me crazy when I see that. It's like, I don't like the pants is too big in a crouch or something. I don't like how that look. And then I'm not going to do any alterations on the top part of the suit. So when you get closer to the top, kind of pivot back in like you're going almost kind of sort of like a dart. So you go to pivot it because you need that to be okay. So if you guys can see, this would be the way. Make sure I got it in the right, where my hand at? Okay. This would be the way that you would pin it, like this. And that will decrease a lot of that sagginess in the seat. So when you get a lot of that sagginess that's in the seat, that would be the way that you would take it in. So now when you get back up here, you gotta definitely get it on point, because you don't want to kind of mess with this top part of the shirt. So when you pivot in it, you pivot it where, and then I'm gonna have to, you see right here, I'm gonna have to fix that part too, because when you're going up into the shirt, you don't want to have that looking like that. So yeah, you would pivot it when you get to the top, like when you're doing a dart going from one part of the fabric to the next part. So I'm gonna do it like that, guys. So I'll sew it, and when you guys see it, y'all will be like, oh, okay. So that would be how I would fix an outfit. That would be my way of fixing an outfit. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, guys, this is the final result, and I got one of my YouTubers to ask. I probably will wear these yellow shoes with it, guys, and carry this Coach bag that I have, and probably style it up with this belt. But if you guys see, after the alterations. Remember how pouchy it was and how creasy it was? But that's what you would do if you guys ever get some pants or something and the seam right here is really baggy and poachy. You take up this inner seam, you take it in, and then it would get away. I don't know if you guys remember, yeah, but it's all in this one video. It was real creasing right there, so this looks a lot better to me. And then I just took up the legs a little bit down here and left the other one. So now I like it a lot better. And guys, I actually did have it on backwards. I realized that the way this suit is, yeah, if you look at this, the back of the ruffles, and this the front. So the only way you can wear it is, unfortunately, I have to cover my tattoo on. But if I really want my tattoo out really bad, I can just move it down like this. Like take it off my shoulder if I really want it to show. And it won't be the original way the outfit go, but you can just take it off your shoulder and kind of do it down like that. So guys, this is what it looked like after the alterations, and I like it a lot better. It took away a lot of that. All right guys, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye bye.